In the year of 25, a tale was spun. Carlos Sainz, the driver, his race not yet done. Set to join Audi F1, the whispers flew. But fate had a twist, a story anew. His fame not just on the track, but in the kitchen too. With a pancake recipe that had the world in a stew. IHOP came calling with an offer $2,000 to keep his secret safe in the pancake land. But Carlos Sainz, with his spirit bold, chose the racetrack over syrupy gold. For his love of speed and the thrill of the chase, he'd never let pancakes put his dreams in their place. So as the engines roared and the circuits gleamed, Carlos Sainz chased his racing dream, leaving behind the tempting flapjack fame for the adrenaline rush of the F1 game. He sees his path with eyes so clear.